see, this is what I do most of my day when I'm at work. Because I live out in the fucking country, so I don't really have places to go. But I really don't fucking care. For the fact of the matter is, peace and quiet. Peaceful. So sometimes I'm on a computer, or I'm either sleeping after work, or I'm watching TV, or talking to people. Favorite drink? Dr. Pepper. Yeah, you could say I'm a little bit of a goof, or a moron, or a dork. They called many things before, so it doesn't really matter. No, it doesn't. Man, I got a few nicknames actually. People call me Jake, but my name's Jacob. But usually get called Jake, Jakey Bear, or Boo. So I had plenty of other nicknames before that. Stupid ones too. Don't really care though. The other thing is, you little fuckers on the internet, or you fuckers out in the real world that hate on me without knowing me, sit there and analyze me, and judge me, contradict everything I do, and underestimate me. You all suck my dick. Oh yeah, you can suck my fucking dick and take my nut in your eye. Pretty much. Other than that, man, don't hate you. Can't hate you. I love you guys. I love everybody. But all the people that do hate me, you're making me famous. And you guys are fucking morons. You really don't know what the hell you're fucking with, dude. I really don't think you guys do know who you're fucking with. Let's just say I could take your life in an instant. I don't bullshit, I don't fuck around, I don't fucking tell you shit just to say shit or to hear myself talk. So you know what, in the end, I'm your worst fucking nightmare. Let's just say I'm the one you see in your nightmares and your dreams. I'm either there to protect you or I'm there to take your life. Your choice. So I guess for right now,